Many of you probably wonder what makes a Splitrock home truly a custom home. Today we want to show you this modern take on an Italian home and share some of the reasons why it is truly custom in every aspect. Hi, my name is Bart Smith. I'm with Splitrock Custom Homes, and we want to show you around this modern take on an Italian European home and what makes it truly custom. This home starts all the way from when we sited the home. This subdivision was designed, we were involved in that, and we actually built this lot up enough that they could have sewer that flowed without having a pump system. In this home, the homeowner really wanted that European feel, and so we had to plan for this courtyard out in front that makes you feel like you've arrived at the home and you're inside right when you get here. You'll notice that we also included this stone that looks like limestone. So we had all of this actually custom made, and she chose every single profile for the curves on the top, the profiles of how this lays out on the wall. You'll see a lot of little details where we built this little ridge out along here. We built some custom pieces that went at the top to look like crown molding. She designed every little piece, and then we custom made all of these pieces so that she could have the exact look that she wanted. Another custom feature that we put on this home is the rain gutters. She really wanted that European look where the rain gutter comes down, has a catch box. So we actually drew up about 20 different catch boxes, and she compared them to the catch boxes she was accustomed to when she lived in Europe, and chose these, and then we sized them according to the size of the house so that they would be a focal point when you pulled up to the house. She wanted to be able to see those as part of the architectural detail of this house. And we've showed you a lot of great things on the outside of this home, very custom items, but today we also want to show you inside this home. So that is where we really start the real custom details. We're going to invite you into the home. We're going to take a look at a small portion of this home, but it is amazing. Every detail is not missed. Come on in. The custom features of this home start right when you enter. We have a custom limestone floor with a custom pattern laid out, along with a metal door that separates the office. This door was actually, every part of it is custom. Door itself, we made a custom panel on the bottom so that it just breaks it up when it's shut. Really fun way to enter and have a different feature as you come into the home. She wanted to make this office really a showpiece. And then custom paneling throughout. Dark paneling here, custom paneling on all of the walls in the entry. And then this little transom area that kind of just sets it off so you've come into the home. Before you arrive in with the family, you kind of have a place to meet and greet everybody and then welcome them right into the home. The flow of this home as you come in, you'll see big windows out the back and the kitchen and living area. And this is because they want to entertain, and they have a lot of people that come over, and it makes the flow so nice. This whole wall system right here pockets back into the wall and disappears and makes this area here twice as big. Part of the flow of this home is that as you come in and you open all this space, the idea is that you've blurred the lines of outside and inside. So when this door is open, you feel like all of the outside, including the pool area, everything is just part of this whole home. You'll notice there are no curbs or step ups or step downs coming in or out of the home. Everything is totally flat so that you really don't feel like you're ever anywhere except for all part of the home. The yard is just as much a part of this home as the inside. As we come into the kitchen, I want to talk about some of the details that make this such a special kitchen. First of all, you're going to notice that there's an entry here. This is a butler pantry, or a working portion of the kitchen, which is off from the main area. So basically they can bake, cook, do most everything they need to do kind of off of out of sight. And yet it still feels like it's part of the kitchen. So if everybody's here working like an Italian kitchen is, and there's a lot of family, everybody's participating together and having a good time. I've been here with them when they're doing it, and it's awesome. Every detail in this house is of the utmost importance. You'll notice the hardware on these cabinets, even these little rails on all of the shelves. The homeowner, as the designer, picked every single detail, and we were able to accommodate what she wanted. Even to the point that as you walk into this pantry, we've centered this island on the window with the light exactly centered in the room, and it centers both ways because you have a window here and a window here, and she wanted to be able to have everything totally symmetrical inside this room. We were able to accomplish that. We even put a barrel ceiling in the top, and then we shiplapped the ceiling to make a little extra detail to make that highlighted. Opposite of the kitchen is their dining room, and their dining room is spectacular. They have some wonderful hardware to display on these cabinets, and as you come in, some other detail that the homeowner really loved is you'll notice that the floor is laid in a different pattern than the rest of the house. It centers to a point, and then if you come inside, you actually have a growing vault on the ceiling, which is really amazing. We were able to get a kit, a special design kit, and have it brought in so that the detail would be totally symmetrical and without any flaws. So we just came outside from inside of the family area and the kitchen area. Again, this door here is the one that pockets all the way back and basically doubles the size of your entertainment area. This family loves to get together. Everything is designed so that they can relax, come together, and just enjoy one another. This patio, like as I mentioned earlier, has infrared heaters in the ceiling that allow it to be heated on a cool day. We have misters all the way around out here. On a hot day, they can cool this off another 10 degrees to make this space very usable. All of this space, including the pool, they wanted it to feel like if the grandkids are here swimming, that's all part of the space. They didn't want it to ever feel like, oh, they're in the pool, but everybody else is inside. They wanted to blur that line and make it feel like it's just one big space. And when this door is open and the dining room doors are open, that's what it feels like. That people are cooking in the kitchen, the kids are swimming in the pool, you've got people watching TV, maybe watching the Super Bowl, and everything comes together and they are just one big happy family. It's a lot of fun. When you come outside, this space still feels like it's part of the inside. They've got pizza ovens, smokers, grills, Blackstones. It's just all about opening up this space, making the inside and the outside one big space. They don't want to have they don't want to segregate people off. They want it to just feel like one big piece. And that's what they accomplished here. Okay, as we finish up here, I just want to let you know that this is an amazing home, and it was a pleasure building for these people. They had a great vision, and it was a lot of fun. And I just hope that if you're out looking and thinking about who you would like to build your home, it's really important to choose a builder that's going to catch your vision and is going to pay attention to all of the little details that you want to have in your home. All the little details that people write down and think, well, maybe my builder will do it. But I can just tell you that, when we're building with Splitrock, we really want to listen to those details. We want to make sure that this home that you're making one of your most major investments you're going to do in your life, one of your biggest purchases, that it's going to be something that you love and want to be there all the time. This family, they say, why would we want to go anywhere? We have everything that we want to bring everybody here and enjoy each other's company. Hopefully, in another take, we'll be able to see a lot more of this home. But for now, this is a wrap.